how to create a WWE 2K account. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to run and open up any preferred web browser that you have on your end. I am going to be using Google Chrome. So once you have opened it up, just head directly to 2k.com. So once you're here, as you notice, there is actually no sign up or sign in button that's going to be visible. But instead, what you want to do in your search bar is just simply type in portal.2k.com. You will now then be headed directly to their login page. So on the left portion of your screen, you should be able to see any methods in which that you can log in or sign up with these connecting platforms if you have one. So if you have like Google Mail, Apple, Steam, Epic Games, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and so on and so forth, then you can just easily sign it up. Now, if you don't have either of these platforms right here, just head directly to this button here that says sign up, and then this is where you will input all your credentials in which 2K is asking you to sign in. And that's it. That's how you create an account or sign into WWE on your 2K account.